Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to set your playlist on TikTok. So here, let's open the TikTok application first, and now please go into the profile sections here, and after we generate it into our profiles, then there is like several sections here. Here is the collection of the playlist that you have already made. If you want to make another one, please just click the plus button, and then you can type the name of the playlist. You can use an emoji or emoticon here, or you also can use a alphabet. Just type what you want to have here. Let's just say hi. Okay, and after that, just click next. And now you can choose which video that you want to add into this playlist. And I will suggest you that if you want to make a playlist, make sure that the video that you have is like related each other, that have the same theme or the same concept. Okay, after you finished to choose, click done. And now the playlist is already created here. So that's all for today's tutorial, guys. If you find that this video quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.